cute little slime monster and other monsters that surrounding by the slime monster. When we flip it over, we get the ingredients, what's inside, and other exciting kits available. So let's open this up. Galaxy glitter set, and it has a little satin like our slime and mini pictures. Let's open it. Galaxy glitter slime and monster slime. So first I'm going to open this galaxy glitter. Wow, looks so beautiful. Let me check it out. Okay, it's filled with all glitters of galaxy. And next up we are going to open this yellow ice cream slime. Okay, I'll open it up. Okay, it's so amazing to play. And next we are going to open this blue color ice cream slime, which looks like a mermaid slime or an ocean slime. And then finally we are going to open this monster slime. Okay, gonna take it out. Okay, put it out. First we see about this amazing galaxy glitter slime. Whoa, it looks so beautiful. Wow, look at this, friends. Yeah, I like this galaxy glitter slime so much. It gets some glitter in your hands, but it's so fun to play. So next slime is talking about this amazing ice cream yellow color slime. It's also so amazing to play. It's stretchy. It gets a little glitter on it from the galaxy glitter slime. It's okay. Next we have this beautiful blue color ice cream slime. So beautiful. It's so transparent. Whoa. Okay. Okay. So fun. It's also stretchy. Okay, next thing we have this amazing monster slime. Other slimes are made from Fevigum, but this slime is made from Fevicol. So, and without the Fevicol, the glitters go inside, and some of the glitters only show up. Okay, but it's so stretchy because it's made up of Fevicol. Oh, so amazing to play. little glitter in our hands, but a little, don't get more glitters. So which slime do you like the most? My favorite slime is this Galaxy Glitter Slime. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell button for notification. Bye! Warnings when playing with the slime. Don't put the slime in your mouth and wash your hands with soap after playing with the slimes.